in the Porsche and the Dragon. Baby, I'm single, what's happening? Me and you, we can make magic. I fell in love with the fashion. I fell in love with her passion. I'm the one bringing the cash in. Check out the drip, girl, it's flashing. Break the hoe down like a fraction. You see the cameras keep flashing. Watch when you dumping your ashes. She got that fire like a dragon.
Hi guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I just want to do a quick video just to show my hair. Did this all by myself. Took about 12 hours. Yeah, 12 hours doing, and yeah, this is the results. I'm in love with it. I've done a few styles of it already. I've done half crochet and the other half I've just done it like it's a single plait but then twist the ends, and then to keep it in place I would locs it up, or I would get one piece of hair and I would plait it, and then I'll put one of these twists in it, twist locks or whatever you want to call them. And yeah, like I said, it took 12 hours to do. That's including breaks. This should be able to stay in my hair for about a month or more. I'm trying to make it last as long as possible, as if it was real dreads. Yeah, love it, absolutely love it. It makes me look like a whole nother woman. But yeah, if you guys want me to do a video or tutorial in regards to how I done this style, then be sure to request it in the comments box below. Did it as best as I can. I also evened it, make sure it's all even, they're all the same length, it's all the same sizes, and yeah, that's it really. To try and limit myself with the gel situation and stop putting too much gel on my hair so that my edges can grow fully thick, is by using water and a little bit of DAX, and that seems to work for me fine. As you can see, almost looks like I used gel. Well, I didn't use no gel, simply just used water and DAX, and that got my hair to slick up pretty okay. But yeah, I'm not really trying to do the whole slicking quotes and swoops and all of that rubbish. I'm just trying to get a realistic look doing this hairstyle as natural as possible. So yeah, I shall be doing another video. I don't know what it's going to be about yet, but it should be a video today and tomorrow and Wednesday. I'm trying to do my videos 3 times a week, and maybe a 4th one as a bonus from my radio station, or something to do with my Instagram, whichever one, there'll be something there. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and this is also my makeup as well. Show you more in the light. This is the makeup that I did this morning. This is a fast, quick makeup I did. I use a tiny bit of concealer in my eyes. I use concealer in my eyebrows, and that's the only concealer that I've used on my face. And then the rest of it, I put a little bit of foundation, not too much today, as I wanted the natural look to go with this hairstyle. And then my eyebrows, which is obviously probably the most basic thing you can see, and my lipstick. Bear in mind, this lipstick is from the pound shop. Yes, I said it, the pound shop, and it lasts a long ass time. I need to re-up a bit more because obviously I had like something on my lip, and then I took it off, so obviously it's rubbing off a little bit. But overall, it's actually a very, very good lipstick. It lasts long. It doesn't affect my lips. Normally you get rashes from like cheap ass lipstick that I get, but that lipstick seems to be fine. Yeah, that's it really. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment. Request if you want me to do a tutorial on how I did my hair from scratch by myself, taking 12 hours. Hopefully if I do it another time or do it again, then obviously it will take less than 12 hours, of course. But because obviously this was the first time of me doing it, and I wanted it to be as neat as possible, me doing it by myself, making it look like it's hairdresser who done it, it gonna take 12 hours. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. Thank you for watching.